Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jwala Chorasi and today we are going to solve the problem which came into start as 195. The name of the problem is Marble Collector and the problem code is MARBCOLL. The difficulty rating of the problem is Cakewalk and the prerequisite is ad hoc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says there are a total of m possible types of marbles that you want to collect. They are numbered 1 to m. You currently have n marbles with you with types a1, a2 till a of n. Note that you may have the same type of marble twice or more. Find the number of types of marbles that you still have not collected. Input format, the first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Each test case consists of multiple lines of input. The first line of each test case contains n and m. The number of marbles you have and m represents the total possible types of marble. The second line contains an integer a1, a2 till a of n. Output format for each test case, output on a new line the number of types of marbles you have not collected yet. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 100, for n comma m lies from 1 to 100, for a of I lies from 1 to m. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case and the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is pretty much straightforward to understand. It says that there are total of m possible types of marbles that you want to collect and they are numbered from 1 to m. So we currently have n marbles with these types and note that you may have the same type of marble twice or more. Okay, so we have to find the total number of marbles which are still not collected. Okay, now let's take the first test case in nm, which is n is 3 and m over here 3. Okay, and n represents the total number of marbles we have and m is the total possible number of marbles. Okay, okay, so possible types basically, and these marbles are 1, 1, 2. So these 1 and 1, both of these marbles are of same type. Okay, so over here if you will see that we have total possible 3. So but we, if you will see over here that we have total 3 marbles but the types are only 2. This both are one type and this is one type. So how many would be left now? One type would be left, right? So output is simply 1. That is one type of marble that we still have not collected. Okay, so it is 1. Okay, now let's take one more test case. So this would be the other test case. Sorry, nm100. Okay, and the input for this n is 42. So if we will see that we have only one type of, so if I have only one type of out of this 100, then how many would have been left? 99, right? Output is simply 99. Okay. So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. Now let's move towards the solution. So the solution is pretty much simple, guys. It says that let frequency be an array of length m, where frequency of x denotes the number of marbles of type x. We have, okay, so basically we are keeping a frequency array or a frequency map. So we will to construct this array, we will initialize the array frequency to be a length of m filled with zeros. Then for each I from 1 to n, we will add 1 to frequency of a of I, right? At the end of this process, if frequency of x equal to 0 and for any x, we don't have any marble of type of x, so the answer is number of x such that frequency of x equal to 0, which can be computed by iterating throughout the frequency array. So simple getting frequency of these every marbles, yeah, that is throughout the solution. And so guys, I think the solution is pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as n and m. Over here I'm taking their array for these n marbles which we have, and I made a frequency array from 1 to m. I'm running a for loop and getting through all of my cases, and at this answer I'm counting the missing numbers in range 1 to m. Okay, and that would be my answer. Okay, and I'm simply printing my answer at the last. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right now. Let's move toward the Python code. So guys, this is my simple Python code. I took the input for all the test cases over here as well as n comma m. In this a, I'm getting the array for this length n. This is my frequency array from 1 to m. I'm running a for loop to get the frequency stored in this frequency array. I initialize an answer equal to 0. I'm running a for loop over here from 1 to m plus 1, and if frequency of I equal to 0, I'm incrementing this answer, and at the last I'm simply printing my answer. And over here you can see that guys, I have got my Python code right. So guys, I think the solution The code and the approach was pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.